Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So, Rideshare Trickster here. It's been a while. I haven't done a video in a long time. Job is with the transit authorities working really well. I'm definitely liking the medical transport and non-medical transport and all that other stuff. So, I've got a little something from Lyft. Now, I haven't done Lyft in about 8 months now, but I saw this and you're gonna have to stick around to see what's going on. Hey everybody, thanks for sticking around. So I got this thing on Lyft and I'm just going to show you the screenshot. So here we go. New estimated hourly or dollars per hour rate for each ride. Estimated rates show how much you'd earn if a ride was 1 hour long. It only includes time spent picking up and dropping off. These rates aren't a guarantee of your actual hourly earnings. For example, you'll see estimate $40 an hour rate for this ride for a 30-minute ride with a $20 earnings estimate. Really? So much for transparency. So I got out of rideshare because I just got fed up with it, and it just I was just done. I was fed up, and I mean, I still have my apps and stuff like that, and if I need to make a little extra money, I will. But this right here, this screenshot, and I'll show it to you again right here. This is bullshit. Plain and simple. There's no transparency. And I know exactly why Lyft is doing this. They're doing it so drivers like myself and those of us who actually try to make a little money on this half-ass platform know what we're going to make. You may have a surge involved and whatever, and you may be using your radius filter, if that's even still available. So you may normally I would average $10 to $15 a trip. I wouldn't drive more than 5 miles. Now you don't know until the trip is over, and then Lyft goes, oh well, you made this. I think that's really shitty, because now you're up front, $12, $11, $10, $50, whatever it is. You don't know how much you're going to make until the ride is over. So I think I'm speechless. I just can't wrap my head around how stupid and how illegal and how immoral these companies are treating drivers. And now to sit there and mask up everything and say, we're not even going to tell you what you're going to make until after you take it. So you can't decide how much you're going to make. We do. And if you don't know and you don't take it, well, tough. I don't want to ramble on about it. Let me know in the comments, is your market doing this? What are they doing about it? Again, I haven't done rideshare in a long time, but to me, to put up something that says, well, if you're making $40 an hour, we're going to estimate this ride at $20. Well, what happens if the ride's 25 minutes instead of 30? That's not a half an hour. So, how much exactly are you going to make? How much fees are they going to take out? There's, again, the transparency is gone. And as a driver, you no longer have the ability to see what you're going to make until the ride is over. All you see is it's going to take the trip from the time you pick them up until the time you drop them off. Is what you're getting paid for. You're not getting drive time to go pick them up, and you sure as hell ain't getting drive time back to wherever you came from. and they're not going to tell you what you're going to make. So I always said rideshare was never supposed to be a job. This is exactly why. So that's all I got to say about it. Rideshare Professor, check out his channel. I'm sure he'll have a lot more on this, because I'm going to be sending him a little text to let him know, and hopefully he'll do a follow-up. But to me, in my opinion, this is horseshit, and it's time to get a real job. It's time to get out of rideshare, because it's only going to get worse. I've been saying that for years, and as it devolves, what's going to change? Nothing. So be safe, be professional, keep it real if you must. Drive on, and I wish you all the best of health. So until next time, see ya.